Well, with an increase in Arkansas COVID-19 cases like we just saw, doctors are saying the highly contagious Delta variant makes getting tested even more important if you're feeling sick. We just heard that from one local health leader, and Fox 24's Alex Engel breaks down now what some other doctors say needs to be done in order to make testing more accessible. Alex?
Mike, during the month of June, 111,000 COVID-19 tests were given out in Arkansas. Now, 1 month later, that number is close to 250,000. But one UAMS doctor says if the state can make testing easy to access for everyone, we can deal with the positive cases faster.
Absolutely, we're seeing an increase in testing.
This increase in COVID-19 testing prompted UAMS to research which types of COVID-19 testing locations patients preferred.
To understand some of the reasons why, and most importantly, what can make COVID-19 testing more accessible.
Principal investigator Pearl McElfish says the study found people want to get their test easily and close to home.
Drive-through locations, whether it be at a clinic or in a community location, are much more preferred.
The study also found it's important to spread testing sites throughout the region to ensure everyone gets a test who needs it.
With the increase in COVID-19 cases with the Delta variant, it is imperative that people get tested if they have any symptoms related to COVID-19.
Medical Associates of Northwest Arkansas Dr. Patrick McGowan says there's a couple of factors leading to a recent increase in COVID-19 testing in the area.
There's the Delta variant that's becoming more prevalent, here and worldwide, but it's the low vaccine uptake that we're seeing in our community that sets us apart maybe from different areas within the United States.
And that's not the only thing on the rise.
We've seen an increase in the percentage of those that come back positive.
Dr. McGowan says testing is important, but getting the vaccine is still the best course of action to stop the surge.
People need to get vaccinated.
If you're needing a COVID-19 test, UAMS and MANA both offer drive-through testing locations throughout Northwest Arkansas. Live in the studio, Alex Engel, Fox 24 News.
Alex, thank you for that report. Let's take a look now at the state's vaccine progress. The ADH says more than 41% of eligible Arkansans are now fully vaccinated. Almost 12% are partially vaccinated. According to the CDC, almost